This video is a short demo of major features of Camtrive BPM Suite. Camtrive BPM is a powerful solution based on adaptive process guidance concept. We use this concept to develop a next-generation business process management system. It allows for process changing on the go and guidance based on previous execution patterns. In the next few minutes, we will show how these and other features are implemented in our solution. We will start with a demonstration of the process cockpit. It is where we can see full information about a particular process, overall details, status, and flowchart. The overall details screen shows basic parameters of the process, such as title, start time, responsible managers, and others. It is important to mention that in Camtrive many objects can be assigned tags. This simple but powerful tool allows for simplified search, making it less complicated and more intuitive. Now we go directly to a flowchart to demonstrate distinctive features of Camtrive process engine. First of all, flexibility that allows for changing process on the go. In order to make it happen in Camtrive, we use simplified notation comparing to traditional ones, such as BPMN. As you can see on the right, the process is depicted as a sequence of shapes that can be easily changed by adding, deleting, rearranging. Flowchart also contains context information about responsible users assigned, document attached, and much more. These icons inside the objects are direct shortcuts to these details. In addition to this, the process definition is hierarchical. As you can see on the left, the tasks are grouped into the phases, with each of them can be drilled into with unlimited levels of hierarchy. This allows us to define complex processes without the loss of traceability. Color coding helps to understand which steps started, which were completed, and which are just planned. We can also easily divide responsibilities over different parts of the process across different team members. Overall user experience we aim to achieve is similar to that of project management tools, but without the loss of functionality. Another remarkable feature is guidance. Let's see how it works. We will drill down to a task that is being executed for the moment. Here we see an incident. Incident is an event that causes delays and calls for a resolution plan. To outline such a plan, we go to the context menu and add task. There are several options of task creation, but what is particularly interesting is an option of choosing a task suggested by the system. The list of recommendations is based on those tasks that were successfully used to resolve such an incident in the past. The guidance engine that provides recommendations works not only for incidents. Users may use it while planning process throughout, or use it occasionally while planning additional steps. Now let us switch to a status page. You can grasp the entire current operational status of a process on a single screen. We see what part of the process is currently executed, which documents have been updated, what incidents have arisen, and what conversation have been started. All this information is easily accessible. For example, we can quickly reply to a comment. Camtrive has a powerful set of features to manage in-process documentation. For example, this particular document is attached to the process, and it has all information about the supplier. In Camtrive, the document has information structured in the fields. This information is easily extensible. With just a click of this button, we can create new information fields, for example, attach a file. This module enables quick preview of the document and also keeps track of document owners and history of changes. We saw a part of user interface related to a particular process. Now let's see how users can control multiple processes through a tool called Manager's Cockpit. Two major screens are the dashboard and activities. Dashboard has a summary of the up-to-date information about key metrics related to the process in comprehensive forms like charts and graphs. All this helps manager to see the overall picture from different angles and to make decisions to make an immediate positive impact on productivity. Now, by switching to the activity screen, we see all the activities that have happened recently. So we see a list of activities such as task initiations and completions, conversations, incidents, for all processes the current user supervised or simply interested in. With this, we conclude a brief demonstration of Camtrive BPM, a powerful solution that enables process flexibility and guidance. We believe it can be a number one choice for businesses that are looking for BPM solutions with significantly lower implementation efforts and costs.